There are different file formats like text file, PDF, CSV, online, and also you have folder where you have a lot of files that you want to read there. In LlamaIndex, there is a function simple directory reader that you can use to read this file, and when you read this file, these files are created as a documents, and then you can use this document later to create indexing, and then you can run a query engine to get answers to your question. We will see how we can use this simple directory reader to read all these files one by one in this one video itself. Let's import simple directory reader. I will write here from llama_index.code import simple directory reader. Now first I am going to load a text file. Load text file. I am going to make an object of this simple directory reader and save it in a variable reader. I will write here reader, and then I will call this simple directory reader. Inside this, our first parameter is input files. I will write here. So this is the parameter input files, and here we have to pass our text file name in list. I will make a list here, and then I will write my text file name, that is sample_text.txt, its format. Then I will close this list and I will close this function. Once we have this text file in this reader object, then we will create a document of this text file using load_data method and save it in a variable documents. I will write here documents, and then I will call this reader, and from this I will call the method load_data, and let us execute our code. This will read text file and then create its document and save it in the variable documents. Now let's print this document, and here in the output you can see that this is my text file. I can even call this print statement of this, and this is the text file that I have, and these are the information that this text file contains. Next we will read files from a folder. Read from folder. If you see, I have a folder data, and inside this I have some files. So I have this sample_text.txt file, and I also have some notebooks here. Now let's try to read this file from this folder data here. I will make another object document1, and then I will call this simple directory reader. Inside this I will just pass this folder name, that is data, and then I will call the method load_data, and then I will print document1, and here in the output you can see that we have printed text file from this folder data. And so for example, if you have more than one text file, then it will read all of them together. It is not necessary that you should have only one text file, but you can have all your text file or all your CSV file or all the files having same format, and then you can read all of them by using this folder. So you just have to pass here the folder name, and you will be able to read all the files that are present in that folder. Next we are going to load PDF file. I will write here load PDF file. Again, I am going to make one object, that is reader1, and then I will call this simple directory reader. Inside this, my first parameter is input files, and I'll make a list here. Inside this, I will write here sample.pdf, and then I will call, or I will make one document2 here, and then I will call reader. So now here I will have to write reader1 dot load underscore data, and then document2. And here in the output you can see that this is a PDF file, and if you see here file name, it is sample.pdf, then this is the path, and the content is starting from here, this text, and I don't know in which language this PDF file is, because I downloaded a sample file and I did not check in which language this PDF file is. So this is the text from that PDF file. So if you want to load a PDF file, the method is same and even the parameter is same. You just have to write your .pdf extension and you will be able to read a PDF file. Now let's load CSV file. I will write here load CSV file. I'll make reader2 object here, and then again I will call this simple directory reader, and then input files is nothing but my sample.csv, and then I will make document3, and I will call here reader2 dot load underscore data, and then I will print document3 here. And here in the output you can see that we have read this CSV file. So this is the file path, and then file name is sample.csv, and the actual information of this file will start where you will see this text written. So it will start from there, and so it is starting from somewhere here. Yeah, from here it is starting text. So these are the content of this CSV file, and this is how you can read this CSV file. And the last one is that you can read files from online website that we have already seen in our previous tutorial. This is how you can read all the file formats like text file, PDF, CSV, and from folder. And for online, we have already seen in our previous tutorial using simple web page reader. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like my video, you can subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.